Welcome. Today we are discussing Module 1.2, Setting Up Your Local Python RAG Environment, Practical. Here is a quick look at where we are in our curriculum. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the hands-on aspect of RAG by setting up your very own local Python environment. This is a critical foundation, ensuring you have a dedicated space for all your RAG experiments and projects. Think of it as preparing your workshop before you start building. We'll cover everything from virtual environments to essential library installations, making sure you're ready to code. The first, and arguably most important, best practice is to always use a Python virtual environment. This keeps your project's dependencies neatly separated from other projects on your machine, preventing the dreaded dependency hell. It's like having a dedicated toolbox for each project, ensuring everything works smoothly and predictably. We'll use Venv, Python's built-in module, for this. Now, let's talk about the essential tools in our RAG arsenal. We'll need a framework to orchestrate our RAG pipeline. Here, LangChain or Llama Index are excellent choices. For transforming our text into numerical vectors, which is crucial for similarity search, we'll use embedding models, often from libraries like sentence transformers. And finally, to store and quickly search these vectors, we'll set up a local vector database, with options like Face or a lightweight ChromaDB. With our virtual environment activated, we can now install the necessary packages. We'll start with LangChain, a powerful framework for building LLM applications. Then, sentence transformers for generating our embeddings, which convert text into numerical representations. And finally, Face CPU, a robust library from Facebook AI for efficient similarity search, acting as our local vector store. Remember, you'll need an active internet connection for this step. Now for the practical application. Let's initialize some of these components in Python. We'll load a Hugging Face embeddings model, which uses sentence transformers under the hood, to create our text embeddings. Then, we'll set up an in-memory face vector store. This little snippet is your first tangible step towards building a RAG application. It's here that you can truly see how these components come to life. Download the code from the GitHub link in the description below to try it yourself. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a foundational local Python RAG environment. This is a huge step, and with this environment ready, you can start exploring different RAG configurations and experimenting with your data. Next time, in Module 2.1, the RAG Paradigm Shift and Architecture, Theory, we'll shift gears back to theory, diving deep into the conceptual framework and architectural components that make RAG so powerful. Get ready to understand the why behind what we've just set up.